Welcome to our latest video on how to train your dog to be a good canine citizen. In this video, we'll be covering tips and tricks that will help turn your furry friend into a well-behaved, socially adjusted dog. Are you ready? Let's get started. The first tip for training your dog to be a good canine citizen is to be consistent with the commands you give. Make sure to use the same words and phrases every time you want your dog to do something. This will help them understand what you're asking of them. Positive reinforcements such as treats and praise can go a long way in training your pup to comply with your instructions. Socialization is vital for your dog to be a well-rounded and well-behaved pet. Exposure to different environments, people, and other dogs can help your pup learn to adapt to new situations and handle them calmly. It's essential to start socializing your dog as early as possible and positively reinforce good behavior. Leash training is another important aspect of dog training. Proper leash etiquette is essential for the safety of both you and your pup. Teach your dog to walk beside you without pulling and follow commands such as stop and heel. You can use positive reinforcement to encourage good leash behavior. Maintaining good hygiene is crucial to ensure your dog stays healthy and happy. This includes grooming, brushing teeth, and regular checkups with the vet. Regular grooming to maintain a healthy coat and clean teeth can prevent infections and diseases. Make sure to follow good hygiene practices to ensure you have a happy and healthy dog. That's it for our video on training your dog to be a good canine citizen. Remember to be consistent with your commands, socialize your dog, and maintain good hygiene practices. With patience, consistency, and positive reinforcement, your furry friend will be a well-behaved and valuable addition to your family. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more useful dog training tips and tricks.